Morisqueta Tostada. Rice with sausage and ham. A main dish from Philippines. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Fry Chinese sausages until crisp, set aside. Step 2. Sautee garlic, onion, and rice. Add the rest of the ingredients and cook until rice is coated with soy sauce. Step 3. Garnish with scrambled egg slices and green onions. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.